Welcome back to Blazin Tech, guys. We're here with another video for you. We are installing the 3.0 USB on the Virtualbox application. We really if you look at the application and you go to settings on your virtual machine, you go to ports, you go to USB, you see it's 1.1 OHCI controller. That's what you see. You don't see a 3.0. If you want to see a 3.0, you gotta minimize that, go to Virtualbox, go to extension packs, because you see the support 2.0 and 3.0 devices. So we go ahead and click on that, we download it, we launch it, install it, agree, install successfully. We go to settings, go to ports, USB, 2.0, 3.0. Successfully completed this video. So if you have any comments or questions, please comment down below. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Also, if you haven't turned on any post notifications and you want to see more, please do so. Also, we will see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.